Hello guys and welcome. You're watching this video because you want to know more about Capsim round 1 and how you can get the highest point in your Capsim simulation. So the first step that you normally come is the report. So you just go into the report because this is I want to look at the market segments. I'll come into the traditional. Now, this is my traditional product. You can see that customers here want a product with an ideal age of 2 with an importance of 47%, price of between 20 and 30 with an importance of 23%, then ideal positioning has an importance of 21%, reliability has an importance of 9%. If you move down, low end, the pricing has an importance of 53%, ideal age has an importance of 24%, ideal positioning has an importance of 16%, then the reliability has an importance of 7%. Down, if you move to the high end, ideal positioning has an importance of 8.9, has an importance of 43%, age has an importance of 29%, reliability has an importance of 19%, and pricing has an importance of 9%. So ideal positioning is more important in the high-end market segment. Then we have, let's move down to performance. Reliability has an importance of 43%. Ideal positioning has an importance of 29%. Pricing has an importance of 19%. Then age has an importance of 9%. In your size, in the size market segment, ideal positioning has an importance of 43, age has an importance of 29%, reliability has an importance of 19%, and price has an importance of 9%. So we'll come and start making our decisions. So I'll give able positioning performance of 6.2 and size of 13.8. So 13.8. Then I'll push the MTBF up to 19. Then because Eka is a low-end product and here customers want a product with an ideal age of 7, I'll not change anything. Then I'll come into my R&amp, which is high-end. I'll give it a position of a performance of 8.9. Then a size of 11.1. Then I'll give an MTBF of 25,000. Then for aft product, I'll give it a position of 10.5. Then a size of 14.8. And a maximum mean time before failure of 27,000. Then for AGAP, this being a size product, I'll give it a performance of 4.7, and because customers will really consider the size, I'll give it a size of, let me say, 9.8. Then I'll calculate. Now you can see that my product able is coming out on August. My product Adam is coming out at October. Aft is coming out on October. Then AGAP is coming out on October. So the next step is my marketing. So for this marketing, I'll look into my customer buying criteria. So I'll look at my reports. So I'll start with the traditional. Here we see that pricing has an importance of 23% in traditional market segment. Then it's more important in the low-end market segment. In high-end, pricing has an importance of 9. This means that customers here are willing to pay for whatever cost you'll put there. Performance, pricing has an importance of 19. Same with the size, pricing has an importance of 9%. So I'll come here and say, so let me give it a pricing of 27.5. Then This one I'll give it 20.5. Then the R&amp, I'll not change my pricing. So for aft and agap, I'll increase the price to 34.5. So I'll give it 34.5. Now, I want to make my product more, customers to be more aware of my product, and also to my product to be more accessible to the customers. So here I'll come and into the promo budget. So I'll just give it a 2,000. Let me give it 2,000 in promo budget for all my products. Then again, I'll give it 2,000 in my sales budget. Now, in terms of forecasting, because my strategy is broad differentiation strategy, I've calculated and forecasted my product, so I know that I'll be able to sell about 14,000 units, 1,400 units in my able product. Then this one I'll be able to sell 23. So it's 2,300 I mean. Then for R&amp product, I'll be able to sell 650 units. Then for this one, I'll be able to sell 580. Then for this one, I'll be able to sell 530. So still I can decide to change for my Eka product. Let me say I'll sell 2,100. So if I come and look at my balance scorecard, I realize that my score is 45.5. So I don't have points in my stock out, my plant utilization, my contribution margin, and my profit segment. So let's move on to production. So for production here, I'll produce, because I have 189 inventory. So to get the number of my production schedule, I'll just take my unit sale forecast minus my inventory at hand. So I'll come into my calculator. So I want to see, because so I'll take 1,400 minus 189. It's 1211. So I'll say let me produce 1220, because I want to again have extra inventory. I don't want to stock out. So let me also give it, let me just say 1250, because I think I might stock out and I don't want to stock out. Then for the low end product, I'll produce 20. So let me say 2070. So let's say 2080, because I want to have some extra inventory also. Then for this other one, I'll produce let me say I'll produce 690. Then for this one, I'll produce 500 units, or let me say 520. Then for agap, I'll produce 500 and so let me say 500 1 unit. Now, if you look at my second shift production, we realize that with the able, I have so much capacity, so I'll have to sell some capacity. So I'll sell 400 units. Then again, for this Adam, I'll sell 300 units because I want cash so that I can invest on my in improving my plant. So that's it. Then for traditional and low end, I'll increase my automation because I want to reduce my labor cost. So I'll give it 7 and 9. Then for this performance product, I'll give it 4. So, sorry, 4. You can see that my maximum investment was 32,694, sorry. Then I've used 32,370. So that are my decisions for production. Then I'll come into human resource. In this round, we will not be making any decisions in my human resource. So I'll come into my finance. So in my finance, my cash position next year will be 14,405. So I'll take maximum. So I'll take maximum of 18. I'll issue long-term debt of 18,994. So I'll come and recalculate. Then again, I'll issue, for this one, I'll issue 5,000. And because I want to balance my cash position, I'll issue stock worth, so 13,700. So I'll issue stock worth 13,700 because I want to balance my cash position. So that's it for today, guys. That was my decisions for round 1. So if you come and look at my ratios, we see that my leverage was 2.2 because in this round I'll not be making any profit. I've used all my cash in improving my plants. So my balance scorecard is 54.6, which is good in this round. So that's it.